In front of us here sits the box ULT Field 7 Power Sound speaker by Sony, and I can't wait to hear how this sounds. But before we do that, let's take a look at what's inside the box.
So you can see you got your one ULT Field 7 Power Sound speaker, and there's the power cable right there. And then beside that is your warranty card and user manual.
Now, before we talk about all the cool features that this speaker has to offer, why don't we turn it on and connect it to my laptop via the Bluetooth fast pair. So you just want to hit that button right there. It's upside down. That'll turn it on. And then you can see right away the indicator on the Bluetooth. So we're gonna connect this to my laptop there.
And just like that, we can see we are paired, and now the indicator light turns a solid blue.
I would also like to point out that this speaker allows you to connect multiple devices at once, so you can switch seamlessly between your phone, tablet, or laptop. All right, so what kind of features does this speaker have? Well, if you like bass like myself, then all you have to do is push this ULT button right here, and you'll get a huge boost.
If you like a light show, then the ULT Field 7 has dynamic, colorful lighting that synchronizes with your music. Unlike a lot of compact Bluetooth speakers with detachable straps and awkward handles, this one is easy to carry because of its built-in handle design, which makes it a breeze to pick up and move throughout the party.
And since we're on the subject of parties, yours never has to stop, because this speaker has up to 30 hours of playtime with quick charging. So what does that mean? On 10 minutes of charging time, you get up to 3 hours of playback. That's not too shabby.
Also, if you're taking your speaker outside, have peace of mind knowing that it's IP67 water, rust, and dustproof.
One of my favorite features is you can connect a mic to this speaker for a little karaoke, or even a guitar, and watch this versatile speaker turn into an amp.
Simply press that button right there, and then you can sing or strum to your heart's content. During my sound tests I conducted in a separate video that you can see there, I was really impressed with the deep but clear sounding bass, not to mention how loud this speaker is. With 100 watts of power, you don't have to worry about the size of the room you're in. Trust me, they will hear this speaker.
Overall, this speaker has excellent sound quality, and when you use the bass boost feature, it doesn't overwhelm the mids and highs. I also like the cool minimalistic look of this speaker and all the great features. And when you combine that all together, I really think Sony hit it out of the park with this compact Bluetooth speaker. I hope you guys found this video informative and a little bit entertaining, and I hope to see y'all in the next one. Bye for now.